cochina. Daddy,
Stop. ¿Ah?
Tú eres cochina.
¿Por
¿Tú,
qué?
¿Tú estás haciendo pupú?
Tú no haces pupú.
No, no hago
Haces
pupú.
pupú.
No.
Tú haces caca.
We're going to Crash Boat. You guys see Jose's face in pain. Pobrecito. My baby got bit by a bunch of ants.
Really bad though. Like 7 of them, I think.
And we got off to a rough start.
So we were finding a spot at the beach with shade, but apparently the ants want the shade more than I do.
And they're like killer red ants.
They're ready there like
to defend their spot.
And believe me, they won. I moved. I moved really fast. And they killed me, and I was there. Pedro and Emily were there really like for like 5 to 10 minutes. I was there like literally 30 seconds, and they completely destroyed my feet.
Yeah.
Like my feet are on fire right now.
So yeah.
That's funny.
But I put some anti-itch stuff on him, so hopefully he's feeling a little bit better. Are you?
Yes, I am.
A little bit. Adiós. Mira todas las olas que lindas. My group of snorkelers are ready to go. How exciting. Adiós.
Adiós. Panics. What did I say? Look. Put your body on it. Look. Hold on. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Is it deep? Baby, you gotta try this. I'm gonna pull you this way. You need to relax.
So beautiful. This beach is via Pesquera. And the waves here that usually come in, they're really, really nice. Taking a nice needed break from the water. They are still on the boogie board. And I'm taking a break because the waves are super, super feisty today. They're like super rough. But Emily's having a good time, so. And so is Daddy. I'm gonna show you what they're doing right now. Ah, no, porque tampoco.
Pero no queda.
The castle.
Tell me whenever you're ready.
I'm not. See? That's me.
I think I buried myself more than. So here's Vero, buried
No, Mama, you have sand
from
in your
head to
hand.
toe.
This like exfoliates my skin or something.
Yeah, it would.
Is it good?
Thanks.
I mean, buried completely. Except for your ring, Vero. Bury his diamond ring. Hold on, there's literally one little tiny rock sticking out the ground. You're gonna love it. Emily left it like one little diamond, yeah.
Awesome.
So here's Vero, completely
Yay.
buried. So dangerous. How
How
many are you eating?
Y está leyendo el libro, ya leí.
No. No.
¿Qué? No se va a trepar. No puedo comer.
Te vas a llenar el cuerpo de hormiga.
No.
Emily, tú vente para acá, mi amor. Serena dice que está lista para reírse cuando te caigan.
¿Me caigo?
Sí, hay hormigas, Emily.
Sí, hay hormigas, sí.
Wow, sí se montó.
Mira.
Ah, pues tú puedes irte con tu suegra a cortar palos. Tú te trepas.
José, ya tienes trabajo aquí, José.
Mira, no, José, más abajo, mira. Míralo ahí al lado tuyo, al lado de la mano tuya. Ese está bueno. Míralo para acá.
Wow.
Mira. José, de frente, míralo acá.
Emily's gonna carry me. Go ahead. Carry me. Am I heavy?
Yes. Make me fall.
She's not really
Come
carrying
on.
me. We came to see my Uncle Cano's terreno. He bought all of that. And then Jose climbed up this tree and got aguacates. Where are they? Here they are.
Don't